Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, first about your opening in Pakistan, it's been applauded a lot there. Your opening the movie.
Yeah, I know it. It was a crazy experience. First time in Pakistan, first time in Lahore, the first film to be premiered in Pakistan. I think, as Mr. Bhat says, I think that premiering the film there was just an excuse. I think it was a chance for us to, just be a small part of the brick building process. And when you actually get there, you will realize how similar Pakistan is. It looks and feels the same as Delhi. Lahore looks exactly the same, excepting a signboards go from Hindi to Urdu. And people were so warm, they were so kind to us. I mean, I cannot believe, right from the person at the airport to my driver to the security guy outside my room, they were so nice to me. They were taking care of me, going that extra little bit. They wanted to watch my film, and they were just happy that we were there showing a really good Bollywood film there, and it showed in the premiere. I mean, there were so many people. We weren't expecting that kind of response to the premiere. We didn't have the security people needed to control the crowd. The mob broke into the theater. It was like there were people on the aisles watching the film, clapping, whistling, animated audience. It just felt so good as a first-time filmmaker to see your film for the first time with an audience that's loving your product.
There were some cricketers also to applaud it.
Wasim Akram was there at a at a pre-premiere party over there. Imran Khan was there. I think Imran and Mr. Bhat were talking politics, not cricket. I did manage to just talk to Wasim Akram, but I was too much in awe of him. I just said hi and left.
Okay, and the movie has been hyped a lot because of IPL. Don't you think? It's getting a lot of support from you.
Yeah, but the thing is that when I thought of the film, I mean, filmmaking is a long process. You know, when we first decided to make a film on match fixing, it was more than a year back, and we didn't dream that IPL would be coming in. IPL would get so big. So it's not that we're making use of the IPL. It just, I guess I lucked out with the timing. A lot of people have asked me that why are you coming during the IPL, but I say why can't I come during the IPL? A lot of films have moved out of the IPL slot, and I have a solo release tomorrow. So hopefully, maybe a few people will not watch Shoaib and Sachin and will watch my film Jannat.
Okay, any particular reason for premiering it in Pakistan?
Yes, because you become a part of history. I mean, you have premieres over here almost every week, and just showing your film over there. I think, as Mr. Bhat says, that it was not so much a thing of premiering the film in Pakistan, but just helping the peace building process.
आखिरी सवाल सोनल का आज बर्थडे है मुझे आपने पार्टी रखी है we wanted about that.
Sonal ka jo birthday, yeah, I think it's the perfect birthday gift for her that the release of the film or uska birthday is on the same day. Hopefully she should have a very happy birthday tomorrow. She should be extremely happy, get a lot of good wishes for her birthday and the film. And we are hoping that today we can have a lot of fun because I think we worked very hard for the last 1 year or so.
Wish you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.